Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 asks you to write the equation of line in standard form. Remember, standard form is ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are integers, and a is positive. Right now, my equation is in point-slope form. So I'm going to start out by using the distributive property on the right-hand side. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x, and negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Now I need to put my x term on the left side and my number term on the right side. So I'm going to add 5x to both sides, and I'm also going to add 7 to both sides. When I do that, negative 7 plus 7 on the left side is 0, and that leaves me with 5x plus y on the left side. Negative 5x plus 5x is 0 on the right side, and that leaves me with negative 10 plus 7, which is negative 3. So now I'm going to check. My a, b, and c are all integers, and a is positive like it's supposed to be. So my equation is in the correct standard form. 5x plus y equals negative 3.